NASA's Artemis program is set to return humans to the moon by 2025, marking a new era of space exploration. The goal? To establish sustainable human presence on the moon and to pave a way for the future missions to Mars. But why is this mission so important? And what makes Artemis different from Apollo's missions from the 1960s and the 1970s? Well, first off, the Artemis missions are more about just landing on the moon. While Apollo was facing on the one-time goal of putting astronauts on the lunar surface, Artemis aims to build a long-term presence. This includes establishing a base on the moon where astronauts can live and work for extended periods. This will serve as a testing ground for technologies that will be used on future Mars missions. In 2024, the Artemis program is preparing for its first crewed mission, Artemis 2, which will orbit the moon before returning to Earth. This mission will test critical systems, including the Space Launch System, SLL rocket, and the Orion spacecraft, which will carry astronauts into deep space. The mission will also lay the groundwork for the first lunar landing under Artemis set for 2025 with the Artemis 3. One of the most exciting aspects of the Artemis program is the goal to send the first woman and the first person of color to the moon. NASA's commitment to diversity and inclusion is a key element of Artemis's reflecting the agency's desire to make space exploration more representative of humanity. The moon itself has become an important focal point for scientific discovery. Recent missions, including India's mission, have confirmed that there's water ice on the moon, potentially a crucial resource for the future of lunar colonies. The Artemis program plans to take advantage of this by building a sustainable habitat that can utilize lunar resources, making it a self-sustaining outpost for astronauts. And while the moon is a stepping stone, Artemis is also laying groundwork for the next giant leap, human exploration of Mars. NASA sees the moon as an ideal testing ground to develop technologies and systems needed to survive on another planet. As we look towards the next decade, the Artemis program is a key milestone in humanity's journey beyond Earth. Can you guys believe it? We're going back to the moon. If you like this story, definitely let me know. Let me know what you think about humans going back to the moon. I think it's an exciting time for technology in the world. Really pumped about this one.